I'm Josie, and in today's video we're making Donna Hay's chocolate fudge cake. And as you know, we got this for Christmas, so I'll have the link to it in the eye in the corner and in the description box too. If you want to check out any of our other testing videos, make sure to click the eye in the corner as well. So the ingredients you will need is the Donna Hay mixture kit. You also need 4 eggs and 185 grams of butter. You'll also be needing a small to medium saucepan. You'll be needing a hand electric mixer, a large mixing bowl, and a 20 centimeter cake tin. So let's get started. And then also, guys, sorry, before we go, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Sorry, I always forget to say preheat the oven, but yes, do that. So now let's get started. Oops, sorry guys, excuse the mess at the back. Here we go for our mixtures. So let's get started. Go. Okay guys, so we move over to the stove. So now you sort of put it onto, sorry, I need to find where I can hear. So probably like low to medium heat, and then you want to place your big chunk of butter. Then you want to put in all of your chocolate chunks, and then get a wooden spoon, sorry, excuse the mess, and then probably just let the butter melt a little bit more, and you want to mix it until it's all smooth. Yeah, so you don't want to put it on too high of a heat because otherwise it will burn, so probably like what I have it here, like low, medium heat. Guys, behind the scenes. So for today's video we'll do a little bit behind the scenes, what it looks like when we're cooking our videos. So yeah, so guys, it's always not as quick as it seems in the videos. It usually takes like probably a good hour or two depending what it is. So yeah, guys, comment down below, because yeah, we've kind of been thinking of maybe doing vlogs on here, but we're not really sure. We might wait till we have a few more subscribers, but yeah. So guys, this is our kitchen, and also too, let us know if you want us to do a kitchen tour. We could definitely do that for you guys, but probably like next year. This is the unpainted wall over here. Yes, that we need to do. So we want TV's gonna be on there, so then we can like watch cooking videos while cooking. So yeah. So guys, we won't show you too much, just in case if we do one. But guys, just to let you know, I think I might have seen another video, but then I edited it out. Yeah, we do pre-film all our videos, so if you do request a video, it'll probably happen next year. Or if for some reason we want to, we might do like 2 videos for that certain week, maybe, but probably just one. Or we could do it like that next month. So yeah, it just won't be like straight away, but it'll be like on our ideas list. Yeah, because we kind of made a plan of what videos we're gonna film and upload, but can change. It does change, so yeah, kind of like planned all of these months up to like December, so got like the rest of the year planned out, but probably will change. So look at this, guys, it's looking pretty cool. Yeah, so guys, we're just gonna Josie keep mixing, and then yeah, get back to you guys on the next. So now I'm just going to pour the chocolate mixture in. And guys, once you pour it in, let it cool until it's like just cooled slightly, and we'll be back to you with the next step. Okay guys, so we've let the mixture cool, and now we're just going to add the 4 eggs, and then we're going to beat it. So I'm just going to add the eggs, and Heather's going to beat it. Once you crack the eggs in, you're going to get your mixer, and sorry guys, I can't talk today. And then you want to put it onto medium-low speed, and then do it until it's slime fluffy for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to add the cake mix into the
getting clean. Heather's finished eating it. Okay, let's pour this in. Come over. And I'm just going to beat it for a little bit and then Heather will.
Okay guys, so the next step is, so we mixed it all up, and I won't tip it because that'd be bad. And then, so now you want to pour it into your lined baking tin.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, so you just basically want to pour it in. Not really much explanation.
We'll fast forward this up.
It's so much easier doing it with someone else. Okay guys, so we've finished putting this in here, and now you want to put it into your preheated oven, which is 180 degrees or 160 degrees, depending on your oven. And yeah, so you want to bake this for 45 to 50 minutes, or until you put a skewer through it and it's nothing on it.
So yeah. Let's go put it in the oven. Also, that is, when she said the degrees, that is degrees Celsius, so not Fahrenheit.
And guys, just a tip, if you're putting something in the oven, it's going to be very hot, so open the door, stand back, and let the hot heat come, so then you don't. Yay! Okay, so we'll see you afterwards.
Goodbye. Okay guys, so we've taken it out of the oven, and now it's time for taste test. We haven't done this in a long time.
Yeah, so
I'm just going to
we'll do it for this time.
A thin piece, and then we'll both share it. Because we want to save some for later. And this seems really rich, so. Okay.
Careful.
Oh,
that looks so good. It's kind of like a brownie. Like a brownie cake.
Ready, set, go. That's so good. It does taste like a brownie.
Oh wow, yum. That's good.
Okay guys, so we're going to keep eating this, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Ooh, yum.
I want more.
Oh, that's so good. I could do it. That's so good. And yum 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 yum, as Rosanna says.
Goodbye guys!